Hi folks, my name is Tom.Peterson. I'm proud to do a video presentation for you today on this 2018 Model 324 BDSW. It's got a bathroom door that goes to your patio, which is kind of nice if you have the kids running around or you just want to be able to go right into the bathroom without having to deal with getting in through the main living area. It's kind of a nice little setup. It's a large travel trailer with lots of room in there. It's got a nice big slide out in the back room as well. So we'll start on the inside and then we'll work our way out. We'll start kind of in the rear of the coach over there. It shows you it has an actual additional bedroom. Nice for the extra sleeping for the kids and what have you. You're going to end up having this area is where the slide out is. It includes the two areas for sleeping here. This one can be lifted up and that way it can be out of the way there, and then you can kind of set these up to kind of be sitting on and being able to read books and what have you. You've got a little ladder that folds out here and gains access to this top bunk, and you got extra storage in here for clothing and goods. And you see you've got a little bit of a wider side on this area, so if you've got a larger teenager or whatever, they want to be here, that makes a bigger bed. And then you're going to end up having the one we talked about up and through here. There's a window that is in both these areas, so you've got that for additional lighting. And this window in the back over here makes it nice for extra space, and you've got a window there for ventilation, place for a TV. So this is your back area. So you have a bedroom slide out, or at least a main slide out in the living area, and you've got an additional slide out here. As we go back, we'll see in the hallway here that we've got some storage that's going to be in this area. And then, so you have that for hanging closet there, never get enough. And then inside the bathroom area here, this one will show you that it's got a shower, tub shower, and that sink and medicine cabinet, and you got that way to get out and in from the to the patio area. It's nice to have. Skylight above the shower we saw. As we go this way, on my left is going to be a nice U-shaped booth dinette with the couch in the slide out next to it there. Storage above the couch. And then, so that's nice to have that area, big window for view. And I like the way they finish the window trim that you see along here. So that's a nice feature that Jayco's been doing lately. You also have pantry here in the kitchen. So you've got all that area. And a refrigerator, which is not a 6 cubic foot, which is a typical size and has been for many years. This is actually larger to an 8 cubic foot, which is nice to have for this floor plan. Jayco is wood frame, corrugated siding on the outside. One thing that's nice about Jayco, they brag about having the best roof in the industry. It's certainly one of the strongest out there. They say it's about 50% stronger than your standard roofs out there. So it's nice to have if you're going to be in an area where you're concerned about that extra snow load you might get and what have you. Also, you're going to have the nice height in here. So as I'm in here at 6'2" almost, I've got plenty of headroom in here. For those of you that have 6'4" or 5 kids and adults out there, it's nice to have that additional. If you're 6'8", I'm sorry, it's going to be tough for you to get in any RV. But if you're 6'4" or 5, you'll probably be okay in these. So again, larger refrigerator. You're going to have the 3-burner stove. You're going to have your oven in here. It's got 4 drawers, which I like, which is going to be in the kitchen area. It's nice to have here for silverware drawers, all wood backers. They're all with metal drawer guides on them. You'll have a single faucet here, lever with the split sink. A little bit of counter space there for a coffee maker if you need to, and the overhead storage here as well in the kitchen. As you go around a back side over here, you have a place you can mount a TV. It's all backed for it. You got storage above that and storage below that you'll have for this entertainment area, and that way you can see. And these new systems nowadays are going to have the ability to put your DVD in there and watch it on your TV, and also have things for your smart devices and stuff like that to play music maybe through your phone. Again, storage above there. This type of couch here is a jackknife sofa, so it would sleep this way for those that are a little shorter and all that, kids and everything. And your longer bed over there for additional sleeping in the living area. And when you have a super slide, you also have very good floor space in here too. So if you want to throw some more kids, if you got a big bunch of family there, you're going to have in the master suite here, you're going to have your nightstands on both sides and shirt closets and open storage here for some soft goods up there. I wouldn't recommend putting a bowling ball up here, but put some nice soft pillows and blankets. You have a pocket door here, which are solid doors instead of curtains, so I like that feature. So when you do have that, you know, it makes it more privatized in the master suite. They do put these darker shades now, so if you want to have a little more darkness, like I like to sleep in darker area in my bedroom, so this one has the darker shades, which I like. Is a newer feature that Jayco's been doing for the last couple years. So we'll work our way on the outside and take a look and see what we got going for that. You'll see, like most brands, they're going to have the power buttons on your awning. This one has a nice large patio awning, and I always say, you know, what do I say? A large awning, bigger the party outside. That's always a good thing. You've got your doorway we see over there in the back area going into the bathroom. This is your main entry door right here. As we go along the sides here, you'll see that with the outside kitchen, you've got this platform here to keep everything dry, and you can work in this area. You've got a drawer, you've got this slide out here, that'll be your propane, and then your sink and storage we have over here. I like the fact they put a little shock to hold that open for loading and unloading, and lots of space there to for cooking. So if you like to be outside and cook out here, this is a great outside kitchen space. You'll also have the ladder on here that's all factory mounted there. You're going to have that access to get up on that very heavy duty roof. We don't recommend you get up there without being safety cabled or whatever. We have a free roof inspection twice a year for our customers, so let us go up and do that kind of stuff to inspect your roof and keep it nice. We also have a heavy duty slide out system in both the main slide and this bedroom slide here to rack and pinion, so it does have a heavy dutiness, which I like with these wood frame coaches, as opposed to some of the cable and the Schwintek systems that are lighter applications. I think these are just the best. So I like that. You're going to have, as we go back along in this area, the hot water heater and your black tank flush is going to be there, city water. You're also going to have outside shower, hot and cold water there, so it's nice to see. And we kind of can look down there, it's a little bit dirty, just came in, but we have a Goodyear tire. And that's going to be a good brand, and nationwide warranty. It's easy to get servicing for it if you need to. So I like that Jayco has kind of gone that route, and maybe even exclusive to Goodyear. It sounds like they're heading that direction. We'll show you the other compartment door over here, but it is a pass-through storage area, and you're going to have your dual 5-gallon tanks up here and your power tongue jack that's lighted with the LED light, as well as an LED light up front. Diamond plate all the way on this big portion here, and then you've got this access that goes all the way through to the other side. So what we have with Jayco is a company that's been around for, well, I'd say about as long as Guaranty has. This company of Guaranty's been here for about 51 years. I've been here for 27 of those. Been a very, very fun place to work at. It's a great place to consider buying from. We have a family-owned business all those years, and it's just a good time right now. If you're looking at financing, if you're looking at getting into the RV business, get out there and check Guaranty out and see what we got. If you have any questions about this trailer or anything you see on our site, you can call me up anytime at the number you see at the end of the screen. Again, it's Tom.Peterson, and I love what I do, and it'd be love to meet you guys and talk to me. Any questions you have, write them down so you can just rattle them off to me. Once again, remember, in Junction City here, it's an RV show every day at Guaranty.